Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the colors in Macedonian. I've mentioned you that the colors in Macedonian are also adjectives and they are changeable words. So they change according to the nouns. They have to be in the same shape, like if the noun is masculine or feminine or whatever, the adjective, the color also should be in the same shape as the noun. So I have some things here and I will use them to explain to you, like in a visual way, what I'm talking about. If you haven't watched that video about the adjectives, please go back and watch it before watching this. Okay, so let's go. We're going to start with the color yellow. In Macedonian is jolt. Jolt, and as I told you, it's an adjective, so it changes. It will be jolt, jolta, jolto, jolti. Okay? Jolt, jolta, jolto, jolti. For example, jolt limon. Okay? Жолта гума. Жолто капаче. Жолто капаче. Жолти ножици. One more time. Жолт лимон, жолта гума, жолто капаче, жолти ножици. Okay? Now we'll go on with the color pink. Pink in Macedonian is rozev. It can be also used like rozov, but mostly we use it like rozev. Okay, so we have rozev, rozeva, rozevo, rozevi. Rozev lak, rozeva knjiga, rozeva knjiga, rozevo šiše, rozevi papuči. Also you may hear like vlečki, rozevi vlečki, but we use most rozevi papuči here in Skopje. Then we can go on with the color blue. Blue in Macedonian is sin. We have sin, sina, sino, sini. Okay, so you can start with this. Sin pojas. So it's a blue belt. Okay, sin pojas. Sin pojas. Sina čaša, sino penkalo, sini očila, sini očila. Dobro. Then we can go on with white. White in Macedonian is bel. Bel, bela, belo, beli. Bel lak, bela čaša, belo srce, beli očila. Okay, then we have red. Red in Macedonian is crven. Crven, crvena, crveno, crveni. Okay, crven nož, crvena štipka, crveno penkalo, crveni očila, crveni očila. Good. Green. Green in Macedonian is zelen. Zelen, zelena, zeleno, zeleni. Zelen lak, zelena čaša, zeleno cvijeće, zeleni obetki, zeleni obetki. Okay. Gray in Macedonian is siv, siv. So for example, we have siv motor, siva kola, sivo penkalo, sivi nožici. Okay. Then we have orange, which in Macedonian is portokalov. It comes from the word portokal, which in Macedonian means orange as a fruit. Okay, so portokalov, portokalova, portokalovo, portokalovi. Good. Portokalov, portokalov časovnik, portokalov časovnik. Portokalova sveća, portokalova sveća. Portokalovo šiše, portokalovo šiše. It's the bottle. Portokalovi bukvi, portokalovi bukvi. Letters. Okay. And for the last color, we have the color black. In Macedonian means crn. So we have crn, crna, crno, crni. Crn joystick. Crna bluza. Crno penkalo. And crni slušalki. Okay, one more time I'm going to repeat all the words that I said until now. Okay, so I'm starting with yellow. Žolt limon, žolta guma, žolto kapače, žolti nožici. Rozev lak, rozeva knjiga, rozevo šiše, rozevi papuči. Sin pojas, sina čaša, sino penkalo, sini očila. Bel lak, bela čaša, belo srce, beli očila. Crven nož, crvena štipka, crveno penkalo, crveni očila. Zelen lak, zelena čaša, zeleno cveke, zeleni obetki. Siv motor, siva kola, sivo penkalo, sivi nožici. Portokalov časovnik, portokalova sveća, portokalovo šiše, portokalovi bukvi. And the last one, crn joystick, crna bluza, crno penkalo, crni slušalki. Okay, so this is it. I hope that you understand. And if you have any question about this subject, you can write down in the comment section. Also, you can like or share this video if you liked it. And see you in my next one. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Ciao.